Join APIIT Workshop, where engineering meets AI and robotics. From healthcare to manufacturing, transportation to energy, artificial intelligence and robotics are transforming how we live, work, and connect. And behind every intelligent machine is an engineer who made it possible. Through APIIT engineering degree programs, you'll become that engineer. You'll design drones, build robotic arms, and develop autonomous vehicles, blending creativity with technology to shape the future. Join our exclusive workshop and experience how innovation is unlocking new opportunities and redefining industries. Be inspired, be innovative, be the engineer who designs tomorrow. Register now.